My daily video gear required a small steady support while shooting indoors on my desk, so I got this tabletop tripod from a company called Zhiyun. A beauty of this table pod, as I call it, are its price, which is just within $3, and its size, which fits into my pocket very easily. This table pod can be used in two modes. When legs extended, use it as a tripod mode. When legs are closed, use it as a monopod grip. A pretty neat build quality with the use of ABS plastic material makes this tripod cute and sturdy. The head of the tripod has 1x4-inch screw mount, which enables mounting GoPro and mobile phone with clip very easily. At the bottom of the legs, there are rubber anti-slip mats provided. As per my expectation, it does lack a ball head, which might have been an added advantage, but for $1 or $3, I would give a thumbs up for this product. What's your view? Write down in the comments, and if you like this tripod, pull up a like, and I have linked the URL in the description of this tripod for your reference. See you back next week with more iPhone accessory review. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching.